Ministry ya githomo igairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 628 cia mahuthiro thiini wa budget ya mwaka wa kigina 2023-2024 mbeca iritanyitwo kugacirithia sekta itiganite cia githomo. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry ya githomo Belio Kipsang, Thirikari no iguthii nambere kugacirithia ngathi itiganite cia mathomo niguo gutigirira mbeu njithi ni maregira na utaramu wa kuhotithia gukinyaniria tabarira cia uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
One area that we put in a lot of focus so that we are able to give you free primary education. We are able to give you free day school education at the secondary school level. We are able to pay for your examination, both our children in public and private schools. We are able to make sure that our children with special needs are mainstreamed in our education system.
Kipsang uri uraragia hindi ya kuhingura kigomano gia kaunti kigie maundu ma ciana ni agathiriirie unyitaniri wa thirikari cia kaunti hari gukinyaniria maundu ngurani sekta-ini ya githomo na makiria thukuru-ini cia nathari.
Our governors put in so much in supporting our children go through their education systems. And that is why collaboration and cooperation between the two levels of government is very important.
Ona kuhanoro uguo gikurana ati ni gukoretwo na nditi mwena-ini wigi unyihu wa arutani na miako ya kuigana mathukuru-ini maya ari gatagati kamaria thirikari iraniire gukinyaniria.
It is so important that we construct classrooms, we construct laboratories, and we do all facilities that our children require. That as government we have deployed more than 350,000 teachers in our schools, including that 5,000 that we employed early this year, and another 20,000 that we are going to employ in August.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano giki, gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi ni atariria ati thirikari ya kaunti ni yambiriirie tabarira ya kuhe ciana tharirio niguo kuhotithia mathomo guthii na mbere arutwo mategutira thukuru.
On realizing the importance of nutrition in the early stages of a child's development, this program aims to ensure that our young ones receive adequate nourishment to support their growth and learning.
Haduini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena wa Waduro.